Now available for the 64-bit Linux operating system, Autodesk Mudbox has seen a number of substantial performance improvements. Thanks to a new texture and tile management system, it is now possible to paint and manage large texture data sets consisting of hundreds of texture maps, billions of texels, and occupying many gigabytes of file space. Mudbox 2012 brings a major feature to the texture painting workflow with UV-less painting. PTEX is now fully implemented into Mudbox, allowing artists to enjoy the freedom of not having to create UVs before painting. The resulting high-quality textures can be exported as PTEX files for an entirely UV-less process, or, for a pipeline requiring UVs, baked into UV space once UVs have been created and exported as image files. Released as open source, the PTEX library is included with Pixar Animation Studio's RenderMan software. Support for displaying PTEX files is now also included in Autodesk Maya 2012. Work more efficiently with tablet-friendly marking menus. These gesture-based menus, familiar to Maya users, enhance productivity by enabling the artist to use muscle memory to select frequently used options much faster than using traditional menus, and without the need to switch from pen to keyboard. Easily make use of available images to rubber project detail onto models with the new ability to deform and edit stencils to align their texture data to underlying model features. In addition, artists can leverage the full painting toolset to modify existing stencil images or paint and create new stencils. Another option now exists that enables tileable stencils to be painted with ease. Paintable layer masks are available for paint layers, enabling artists to selectively reveal or hide specific details. 22 new layer blend modes help extend artistic possibilities and offer significantly enhanced compatibility with Adobe Photoshop. Corresponding with all 27 of the available layer blend modes in Adobe Photoshop, users are now able to more easily import and export layers between the two applications. To further the power of painting in Mudbox, we have added a color adjustment window. Quickly edit and fine-tune hue, saturation, and value settings on a per-layer basis. A curves function to adjust RGB and hue or saturation channels is also available. Solo options in the Paint Layers menu let you isolate selected paint layers, quickly toggling the visibility of all other layers on and off. Simulate transparent or semi-transparent real-world materials like glass and ice with the ability to paint opacity. Loading dense objects is now even faster. In this example, a high-resolution mesh from another package is loaded into Mudbox and, with the new Rebuild Subdivision Levels feature, a base-level mesh is created. Artists can now work more efficiently with other products in the Autodesk Entertainment Creation Suites, with the new ability to round-trip data with Maya 2012, Autodesk 3ds Max 2012, and Autodesk Softimage 2012 software. The new workflow supports iterative round-tripping. Beginning with a scene in the Content Creation application, data can be exported to Mudbox where paint or sculpting detail is added, then merged back into the original scene and then refined again in Mudbox, and so on. Each transfer only requires a single step to execute between packages. A new ability now exists to transfer properties such as upper-level detail, joint weighting, paint layers, and sculpt layers from one mesh to another arbitrary mesh, even with a different UV layout. Create, manage, and weight multiple joints to quickly and easily deform and pose full-figure models. Artists can now create symmetrical pairs of joints, while joint hierarchies can be created automatically based on influence vertices. Posing joints can also be adjusted to affect interior or surface placement. 4 options for weighting can also be selected. Work with multiple poses non-destructively, with the new ability to store joint transforms as presets. Artists can sculpt at different poses and have these sculptural changes carry across from one pose to the next, deforming correctly in the space of each pose. Great for accessing difficult areas for painting or sculpting, or for testing designs in different positions. Mudbox also offers a more robust painting and sculpting toolset with new brush options, including new grab tool options that offer enhanced control over shaping a model's silhouette, and lasso and rectangular marquee modes for selection, freeze, and weighting tools.